that if you want to create a function, okay, in Python, if you want to create a function in Python, we need to type def. What we need to type?
def.
Def. It's mean definition. Okay. So let's suppose my function definition is I'm saying add two numbers. Okay, and colon.
Okay.
This is like add. First I type the def and then the name of the function. That is definition add two numbers. Okay, if we said add some parameters inside that, okay, these are the, if you put something in this, it is called parameter. I will say like P1, parameter 1, parameter 2. It can be like you can use anything, X, comma, Y. So now these are two parameters, okay? So whatever you put inside the round brackets, these are the, what are these?
These are the X and Y.
No, what is X and Y basically called?
Parameters.
Yes, parameters. So parameters are always inside this. Look, if I do without that, so it's mean without parameters, okay? And if I do with parameters, so I have to define these parameters. Let's suppose I can do P1. Shuja is also a parameter, okay? You can say anything, okay? You can say anything. You can type anything. You can say biryani. You can say like mutter, okay? Whatever you want to say, you can put there. And these will be your parameters definition. So I said like P1, P2. Not the same. Both should be different, okay? And pass mean this function is not doing anything right now, okay? But we can do anything. Let's suppose I'm saying print P1 plus P2. So now I will call this function. What is the name of my function?
Add two number.
Yes, add two numbers. And let's suppose now these are on the top. These are called parameters. In this place, we call them arguments, okay? These are the, now we can say arguments. So let's suppose my first argument is 3 and second argument is 6. So now I call run this program. So it's print 9. 3 plus 6, 9. I call the function again, add two numbers. And now my arguments are like 6 and 12. And run again. So now this is called 18, okay? So this is my parameter. So this is a function complete definition. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what is the 3 and 6 over there?
The 3 and 6 are the parameters.
No, 3 and 6 are arguments. When we're calling the function and we are passing something, so this is called arguments, okay? And these are two parameters. Over here, we call them parameters. Over here, we call them arguments. So this is different, okay? Different instance. This is, we are making a function. And over here, we are calling the function. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.